Hey guys, in today's video, we will be learning about while loops. So basically what a while loop is basically a loop that runs over and over, but the loop will stop on a condition. So first, let's talk about the syntax. So the syntax for a while loop is while, then you're going to put in your condition here, and then you can do like equals to what you want the condition to be, and then you put a colon. And then inside the loop, you can tell the computer to do this or whatever you want the computer to do. So that's the syntax of a while loop. And now let's talk about how we can use this while loop. So an example you can do is you can say while x equals to 10, or we can say while x is less than 10 and put a colon here. And also we can initialize the variable x up here and say x is equal to 0. Now inside the while loop, we can say print x, and then we can say x plus equals 1. And basically what x plus equals 1 does is x equals x plus 1. This is just a shortened form. So x plus equals 1. So basically what will happen is when we run the while loop, this will run until x is equal to 10. So let's run it. And by the way, you can also use the run button in the top right corner. So here, and it prints out 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, not 10, but 9. So basically what it's doing is x is 0, right? And then every time x becomes greater by 1. So then x becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And then once x equals 9, the loop then stops because x will then become 10, and then the code doesn't run. So if we want to include and print 10, we would have to do x is less than or equal to 10. So now when we run this, it prints 10 down here. So that's how you can exit a while loop. Let's say you want to create an endless while loop, or a loop that lasts forever. You can do while true, which means the condition is always true. So that means the while loop will run forever. And then we can just say print the while loop is running. And we can save that, and now let's run it again. And it keeps on printing forever. You can see down here in my terminal. And to exit, you can just do Control-C, and that's basically a keyboard interrupt, which stops the while loop and the code from running. So let's say we want to exit this, but we want to have an infinite while loop, and we can exit it at any time. Then we can just put an if statement, like if condition is true, then we can stop the loop. So let's code an example. So we can maybe take an input, like we can say name, or let's say password is equal to input, and then we can say password. And then we can say if password is equals to stop, then the keyword that we can use to exit the loop is called break, which will basically exit the while loop. And then we can say print the while loop has stopped here. And also up here we can print password. Let us run this. And when we run it, it asks us for the password. We'll just say stop. It prints stop, and it doesn't stop the while loop because we put a capital S. Now, if we type in stop without a capital S, the while loop has been stopped. So you can exit the while loop on a condition that you can put. So that's basically how while loops work, and I'll just give you one last overview. So basically, a while loop is where a loop runs over and over, and you can exit with a condition and using the break keyword, or you can have condition right in the while loop to stop the loop from running. And the reason a while loop is used is because you can use a condition inside of it to break out of it, which means that the loop can be stopped at any time. So that's basically what while loops are. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the like button, and comment down below any videos you would like me to make.